Hi friends, I think you all are fine. So friends, in this video we will start or we will do a derivation for the circular path and the total energy of electrons. So which for this we will derive a formula in this video. So friends, first we have to understand we in previous video I will tell you electrons electrons limit or release electromagnetic waves. So in this video we will try for that for energy because electromagnetic waves release then energy also release, and we will drive a formula for the radius of circular path. So in this video we will take know the force between nucleus and electrons. Electrons and nucleus have a force that's called electrostatic force. By Coulomb's law we can find that electrostatic force. So we will need here that Coulomb's law. So I will tell you first what is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law, that force, electric force. So that is Coulomb's law. So here we take that Coulomb's law for electrostatic force. According to in Rutherford's atomic model, we will draw that formula. So that is the name of topic, radius of circular path and energy of electron. We will draw that formula according to Rutherford's atomic model. So that is Rutherford. For we will draw the nucleus, because we will draw the radius formula, though we will take here the radius is the radius. So that the circular path, electrons revolve around positive. So electrons revolve around that circular path. So radius of circular where here we drive. So we know that there is two force have exert on any moving or rounding particle. If any particle revolve around circularly, then it have exert two force, that is centripetal force and centrifugal force. So here the centripetal force is inside, that is inside, and one is tangent to that revolving axis. So that is centrifugal force, and that is centripetal force. So the centrifugal force is given by the electrostatic force between nucleus and electron. That is nucleus, and that is that force is given by electrostatic force. So we know that what is the formula for centripetal force and centrifugal. There are similar formulas for centripetal force. Here we take mv square upon r. Here we take the radius of that circular path is r. So here we take that r. And according to Rutherford atomic model, centripetal force is given by electrostatic force. So here we can equal them each other. So we will use that Coulomb's law. So what is charge on nucleus? So we know that number of proton is equal to number of atomic number is equal to atomic number of any atoms. So here we denote the atomic number is Z, and the charge of proton is E, because the charge of electron and proton are same. So that we take here Ze, and the charge of electron is also E, and here we take the radius is the R square. Then mv square R is equal to k Ze square. So from here we can write the formula for the radius circular path. So here the formula comes from, that is, we know that what is the value of k. So 4 pi epsilon naught is the formula for k. So 4 pi epsilon naught, and mv square, then we can take it as mv square upon Ze square. So that is the radius of circular path of any atoms for electrons that revolve around, that according to Rutherford's atomic models, that is the radius of. So that is equation first. Now we will take the radius for hydrogen. So the atomic number of hydrogen is equal to Z, is equal to 1. So here we take the number of Z1. So R is equal to for hydrogen. So R is equal to E square. We take the velocity of electron from here. V is equal to, for hydrogen atom, for hydrogen the velocity of that electrons are that, if we don't take for hydrogen then we take Z here, so that is the velocity of electrons for any atoms, that is. So here the equation number first for that is, now we will draw the formula for energy. So first we know that total energy is equal to potential energy plus sum of potential energy and kinetic energy is equal to total energy. So here we will use that concept. So first we have to take kinetic energy. So we know that mv square upon r, then kz square upon r. So mv square is equal to kze square upon r. So we know that the formula for kinetic energy is equal to ki is equal to half mv square. So the value of mv square is given from here, then that is 2ke. So here we take 2k is equal to kze square upon r, and the value of k is equal to, from here comes from kz square to r. So here we did not take the sign of electrons because the kinetic energy is never be negative. So here we not take the negative sign of electrons because the charge of electron is negative. So we do not take here. So that is first equation. Second equations, here we remove that. So I have to remove it. So now we have to calculate the potential energy, and we know that potential energy is in chapter second, electric appliance potential. We will take that formula, that is U, or we will denote it P. That is P or U will denote. So that is K Q1 and Q2 upon R. That is not have a R square, that have only R. So here we take the sign of electrons because potential may be negative, may be positive. So U here we denote it by U, and here we take that negative sign. So minus K Z E square upon R. So that is equation number third. So sum of potential and kinetic energy is equal to total energy. So that T is equal to U plus Ke. So we take negative sign ahead for each calculation. So Kze square upon 2R minus Kze square upon R. So by that is, we can take here the Kez square is common from here. R is common. So here what is 1 by 2 is equal to by 1. So there is the formula is that is equal to Q minus 1 by 2. So here we take Kze square upon. So the total energy of electron is negative. So the total energy is equal to minus Kze square upon is equal to kinetic energy of electron. So that is minus Kze square upon 2R. So the total energy is minus Kze is negative. For by that negative, we have a concept comes from the gravitational chapters, that is that that system according to that negative charge, that system is a bound system, means electrons are bounded by that electromagnetic force and revolve around. That is a bound system. Bound system means that if any force, any system have negative total force, so if we give it positive force, then it remove that. If we give positive energy to the electron, that electrons remove from that revolving that circular path. So that is the concept is before that is, if we give positive energy to the electron, then electrons are removed from that atoms, that here. And the second is that potential energy upon 2 is equal to, here we take that magnitude because you know kinetic energy is positive and it is negative. So for that total energy also negative, so it is equal to kinetic energy, because kinetic energy never be negative, so we don't need to take modulus around it. So half of potential energy is equal to total kinetic is equal to total energy of electron in that systems according to Rutherford cyclic model. So our topic is completed and our diagram is also completed. So if you like that video, then like our video and subscribe our channels. Thank you.